Cucumber is a nutritious fruit with a high water content. Eating cucumber may help lower blood sugar, prevent constipation, and support weight loss. Antioxidants such as beta-carotene in cucumbers can help fight free radicals in the body. Vitamin K helps blood clot and keeps the bones healthy. It also makes sure organs like your heart, lungs, and kidneys work the way they should. The lignans may help prevent osteoporosis, heart disease, and some cancers. Cucumbers may also have health benefits outside your body. Putting them on your skin may help ease sunburn pain, swelling, and damaged skin. That's why people sometimes put a slice or two under their eyes, hoping to shrink bags and ease puffiness. Thank you for watching.